Okay guys, let's try right now.
हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम बैक टू फातिमा's किचन। अभी मैं किचन में ही खड़ी हूँ तो आपको पीछे प्रेशर कुकर की आवाज़ आ रही होगी। सो लेट्स bear with me. Today I'm making crispy chicken which you need to use roll pastry, any spring roll pastry, chicken, egg, maida which is like all-purpose flour. So I want to marinate the chicken first before I can go to another step. So I'm going to put 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, dry coriander powder, salt, red chili powder, a little bit of turmeric powder, and a garam masala. A bit of chaat masala, 1/2 teaspoon. So I'm gonna mix it up all. So let it set aside for like maybe 10 minutes. In the meanwhile, I'll tell you how to get the spring roll sheets ready for this. It's very different crispy chicken. Okay, the next step is you need spring roll sheets, and for binding we need 2 tablespoons of maida all-purpose flour. Okay guys, I need all-purpose flour, maida, 2 tablespoons. I'll put a pinch of salt in it and 1 egg. It's not spring rolls, but you make it with spring roll sheets. It's so crispy, you'll like it. It has to be like runny, so you can add a little bit of water also. Okay guys, I wanted to tell you what is the difference between this. Take a lot of spring roll sheets, maybe 10 or 15, how many you want to make. Because what will happen is like we will roll the chicken inside and leave few bits which will be frying in the frying pan. It will be crispy. So what I do is I fold them and I cut them like that. Don't leave this area empty because we need to put chicken inside and fold it. Just the half of the thing you need to cut it in. Okay guys, it's something like that. As you can see in the lower part, I've cut it into stripes. It doesn't take a lot of time. Now I will take 1 chicken stripe, boneless chicken, and I'm going to dip it in this binding agent which we made with egg and all-purpose flour. We'll put it here. Put the side in, okay, and just a little bit binding agent here also. So few of them I will leave it and then fold it and put it here. I will make all of them and then we will fry. I'll show you one more. As you can see, I have cut all these together. You can see they are like 15-16 of spring roll sheets, so it takes not much of time. Take 1 piece of chicken, dip it in the binding agent and then put it here. Fold the sides in, put a little bit more binding agent over the sheet and then roll it in. So don't put it here, it has to be like.
Okay guys, this is what our finished product looks like for now. And now we're gonna set it aside for 10 minutes and then we're gonna fry it.
Now it's time to fry them. It will be on a medium heat, not high heat, because the chicken inside is raw. so it needs to cook, and because the strips will be cooked very quickly, so you need to put it on a medium flame. 4 or 5 in one pan, and then when they are cooked from one side, then you change the side. I'm gonna change them. For 2-3 minutes they are on one side, so chicken inside will be cooked properly. You need to make sure to cook these ones in low heat, medium to low heat, not high heat. So let them cook on this side for next 3 to 4 minutes.
Okay guys, this is what our finished product looks like. As you can see, it's very crispy, and I'm gonna be trying one of them right now. Okay guys, let's try right now. This is really good. I really think you guys should try it. This is a really nice iftari snack. I really think you guys should try it. And guys, make sure to subscribe to Fatma's Kitchen for more cooking videos. Bye.